Hey you guys, welcome to this week's video, and it is from Amazon. I got something off of Amazon because I want to try something new for my YouTube channel here. So if you like what you're going to see, hopefully, let me know in the comment section and give a thumbs up, and don't forget to click that subscribe button so that we can get to 1,000 subscribers so we could be a YouTube partner, and eventually, I can start getting paid because I'm unemployed. So I really need a job, and it's hard for people like myself who have a disability to even get a job just for multiple reasons. So I'm trying social media, seeing how it goes for me, and if it goes well, then I will stick with it. And plus, I could be my own boss, and I could, post when I want and when I don't. So other than that, oh, and my voice is kind of going scratchy, but it's part of life. So I got this little guy, so we're gonna open it up. I should have some scissors over here somewhere, but they're hiding, but it's okay. We'll get it open somehow. Okay, there we go. And it's wrapped in this, so you could tell by the package. And then this is just all the warning stuff on the back. So, it also comes with paint brushes right there. So, let's just open this up. And if it wants to open, that'll be nice. Okay, first, here are the paint brushes that go with this. So I could still use like the regular paint brushes or makeup brushes for what I'm going to do. So I got this, so I'm really excited. And then it came with this because I could choose different ones that I wanted, and then, okay, there we go, and then save the bubble wrap for another day. So I got this, and then it has 36 colors, and it's a oil base and body paint. So I got myself some face body paint, because I want to try to create some awesome looks. If I could get this open. How do you open this? Oh, duh. Katie, you should know about this. I know. Okay, so here is the package. Dun, 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 dun. There's that. And then it comes with this guide here. So, and it opens up like that. So I will read that later. And then here are the 36 colors that are in this palette. So I think that's really awesome. So I might try to create some looks in the next few weeks here. So yeah, so just kind of be on the lookout for that, and if you like that, that'll be awesome. And then I'll continue that, and I will also continue doing haul videos, DIYs when my brain is up for it, or my Disney pin unboxings. And I'm thinking about ordering some pins off of eBay, Hot Topic, and Box Lunch. So I'm looking at what ones I want to get right now. So yeah. And if you like my YouTube shorts, make sure y'all click the like button. And I did disable the comments on those, just for, my safety and your guys' safety, because, people out there can be just, jerks. And we don't want people to be jerks. So, and then those shorts actually came from Instagram. So if you want to follow me on Instagram, all my social media platforms will be posted in the description underneath or on the side, because YouTube likes to switch around that wherever it goes to on here. So yeah, so I just have my hair pulled back because I was gonna play with this once I get off of here. So that's what I'm going to do in the meantime. So if you like this video, you guys know what to do, and I will see you on my next video. Bye now.